Hello my beautiful people. So today I am going to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I have never used it yet, as you know. I've just bought it, so I don't know if maybe I will do like a series of different looks with this palette and put it in one playlist. Let me know if you would like that. If you like me to do like few looks with one palette and put it in one playlist, so you know where to look for it. And I am also going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eye set. We will see what they are like. I haven't used them yet. As you can see, they're lovely and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna test those two products all together. And if you are new here, I would love you to subscribe and then click that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, let's clip my head to one side. Okay, what shall we do? I think I will do something, because this palette has sort of warm browns in here, like these ones, and then you can do some cool looks. It's got like a taupey color here, these pinkies here, and actually 2, 4, 5. This palette has only 5 shimmery shadows and 7 matte ones, which is quite good. So I think I will go first with the burnt orange in my crease. Which brush shall we use? I think I will use this one, which is the JH number 33. This one reminds me a bit of MAC 217. It's very, very similar. Okay, so let's go through burnt orange. They are very, very powdery and have great color payoff, so tap your brush off properly. They are definitely very pigmented. Yeah, I think I do like a warmish brown today. It will sort of go with the yellow that I'm wearing. Oh, I'm so ready for spring. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush, and this is JH 40, I think. JH stands for Jaclyn Hill. This looks like a nice small crease brush, and I'm going to use Sienna, which is a bit deeper brown, warm brown, just in my crease. Oh yeah, that brush is really nice. The first one, it's okay. It's not as good as MAC 217. Although, do you know what? The problem with MAC 217 is, if you ever buy 217, when you're in the shop, check, because I like it when it looks like this. It's a bit fluffed up. But some 217s come really, really flat, which is no good. And I don't know why that is. But if you get one that is a bit more fluffy at the end, that's the one to get. But I really like this one. This reminds me of my favorite blank canvas cosmetics E42, but it's even smaller, so you can do more precise crease with it. Then I'm going to go back to that burnt orange and marry these two together. Blend it right up. Now let's go into Cypress Amber and see what we get with that one. I will use again this brush, wipe it off on my hand, and I just go in this corner. Oh wow, that is really pigmented. They are already pigmented. So always dip your brush very lightly, then tap it off properly. It's better to build it up than pick up too much. Now this is the huge brush. I think I might have bought that one before. This is number 30. I would use it for my highlight, but I think this is actually quite good to blend everything together. Now I think I will take the glistening and put it on my eyelid, and I will use this brush, which is number 41. Gold color. I'm going to, I always, if I'm using the same brush, I wipe it off a bit. I'm going to go back to Sienna again and warm this up, because that Cyprus Amber is very, very cool, dark brown. Okay, and now I am going to use this pencil brush, or maybe I use this one. This is number 43, and I go really tight with the sienna right under my lash line, and then I will blend it out with this pencil brush, which is number 39. I wonder if you can buy these brushes, not, you know, from Morphe, not as Jaclyn Hill brushes, or these are just completely new and not her brushes, I don't know. And ones that she actually, well, made. Then I will go to burnt orange and blend that underneath. Bit stiff, that one. I'm taking that huge one again and marry everything together. Take that gold color again. This is like a little detailing brush, which I really like. This is number 42. And I'm doing it with glistening. Okay, I think I will leave it at that. And now I will put a bit of black liner. Just like on the half of my eye, smudge it. need to get another one of those. I hope they still do it. This is the Maybelline Master Smoky Shadow Pencil. I love it. So chubby, but I really like it, and I like it that it's got that smudger on the other end. Let's put some in a waterline. Smudge that a bit as well, just on the outer corner. And now mascara. This gold eyeshadow almost looks yellow. I think it's because it's next to my yellow top. This top is from Mint Velvet, and I bought it in the autumn, so they are not available anymore. But I really like it. It's like this acid yellow. And as I've got tiny bit of fake tan, it looks okay. Doesn't look so good, this color on me when I'm really pale. Now I should have had something peachy for my lips, I suppose, but I'm going to use, I haven't stopped using this NYX Los Angeles lip liner. I've bought one as a backup. I feel like it goes with so many lipsticks, depends how you blend it in, so anyway, that's what I'm using. So if I was using darker lipstick, I would just leave it like this. But because I'm using nude one, I'm going to fill my lips a bit. Then blend it in a bit. Then Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW. And then I'm going to use the Becca Glow Gloss in Rose Quartz. And this is your finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I will do some more looks with this palette. I've been looking at it and I was thinking it's very brown, but really I think I can get quite a few looks with it. I mean, you could do one eyeshadow look with almost every eyeshadow in here and it would look just beautiful. So I will probably do more looks with this palette. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.